Guys, what's up? It's me, Evan, and today we're going to be looking at my very first two speed cubes. Sadly, I already unboxed them and stuff, so it's not really going to be an unboxing, but I'm just going to call it that. But yeah, because I forgot how you open this. Okay, I'm going to try to open this, but actually, oh wait, no, it's this way, right? No, anyway, so this one is okay. It's definitely better than Rubik's. Whenever I got these, I was worried that they would be as bad as Rubik's, because I know, like, nothing about speed cubing and stuff. Hopefully we could find out how to open this. Okay, I'll come back whenever I open this. Guys, I found out how to open it. Yeah, I like this one. It's kind of light. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to maybe scramble this a tiny bit. I'm not gonna scramble it that much. I'm actually gonna scramble this one first, because, I mean, I'm new to speed cubing. So, haven't learned any of the algorithms yet. But yeah. So, I think I got this scrambled, but we'll fix that later. Actually, try to fix it right now, maybe. If I can turn this way. Wait, where is it? I don't know, but yeah. So, guys, this is my very first speed cube. My first two speed cubes. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell. And I will try to learn how to solve this using one of the algorithms. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed.